Hi again. Excel makes it easy to add geographical information to your worksheet, just like you can see on the screen. For this example, we'll compare 10 countries using several different demographic and economic indicators. The countries have been selected simply to demonstrate how we can compare different types of geographical data in Excel. I've already entered the country names and created headings for several indicators, including population, area, GDP, life expectancy, birth rate, fertility rate, infant mortality, and maternal mortality ratio. Instead of searching for each value separately and entering it manually, we can retrieve this information directly using Excel's built-in geography data type. Let's start by selecting the country names. Go to the Data tab and click Geography in the Data Types group. Excel converts the country names into geography data types, and you'll see an icon next to each country indicating that Excel has recognized it as a geographic entity. With all the countries selected, click the Insert Data button and choose Population from the list. Excel automatically inserts the population for all the selected countries. Now click the button again and choose Area. Excel inserts the area of each country into the next available column. We can repeat the same process for the other fields. For example, we can retrieve GDP, life expectancy, birth rate, fertility rate, infant mortality, and maternal mortality ratio. This saves us from manually searching for each piece of information and copying it into our worksheet. More importantly, it allows us to build a structured dataset from information associated with the geography data type. Now, let's turn this range into an Excel table. Select the data, go to the Home tab, click Format as Table, and choose a table style from the gallery. Once the table is created, we can easily sort the data using any of our columns. For example, let's sort birth rate from smallest to largest. Now we can quickly see which country in our selected group has the lowest birth rate and which has the highest. We can do the same with GDP, life expectancy, fertility rate, or any other indicator to compare the countries from different perspectives. And that's the real advantage of the geography data type. With just a few clicks, Excel can help us build a dataset containing a wide range of information about countries and locations. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video and share it with others. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing to the channel for more Excel tips and tutorials.